Stop overpaying for web developers. In 150 seconds, I'm going to show you how to build a world-class luxury landing page using Gemini and Cursor AI. Let's go. Step 1. We don't start by coding, we start by architecting. Most people fail with AI because their prompts are too vague. Watch what I'm doing here. I'm using Gemini to build a high-level technical blueprint for my agency, Syntellia. I'm feeding it our brand DNA. It needs to be minimalist, high-end, and optimized for luxury real estate. I'm asking Gemini to generate a comprehensive prompt for Cursor that includes a glass morphism header, a property grid with hover effects, and a custom contact form. By letting Gemini handle the logic and the technical structure first, we ensure the final code is clean, professional, and built to convert. Step 2. We take that blueprint and jump into Cursor. I'm opening a brand new empty folder on my Windows laptop. No pre-written files, no boilerplate. I hit Ctrl+I to open the composer and paste the prompt from Gemini. Watch the speed here. Because we're using the Claude 3.5 Sonnet model inside Cursor, the AI is scaffolding the entire business asset in real time. It's writing the HTML structure and styling it with Tailwind CSS simultaneously. It's handling the layout, the mobile responsiveness, and the premium styling all at once. You can see it building out the featured properties grid and the 2 billion dirhams plus social proof sections we requested. This isn't just designing a picture. We are engineering a functional website using natural language. This workflow allows you to iterate at the speed of thought. If you don't like a section, you just tell the AI to change it. But as you can see, by giving it a world-class prompt from Gemini, the first draft is usually the final draft. We are almost done. Once the build is finished, we hit Save All. Now the best part, you don't need a complex server to see your work. I'm going into my project folder, finding the index.html file the AI just created, and double-clicking it to open it directly in the browser. Just like that, the code transforms into a high-end digital presence with smooth scrolling and sharp typography. I've open-sourced the exact prompt I used in the description below, so you can build this for your own business today. This is day 1 of our 30-day value pour. Tomorrow, we build a custom internal tool to manage your team. I'll see you then.